What you're looking at is a tree removal situation that had already gone wrong before the professionals even arrived. A homeowner attempted to deal with a severely damaged tree, but the job quickly became too dangerous to continue. Now the challenge is preventing the tree from falling onto the neighboring property. From the ground, you can already see several warning signs. The upper section has been partially cut, multiple ropes have been installed, and the tree is no longer in a predictable condition. Once a tree has been partially severed, every movement becomes harder to anticipate. The crew was called in after the original plan failed. Their first priority isn't removing the tree, it's stabilizing it. Before making any additional cuts, they need to understand how much structural integrity remains and where the weight is actually being supported. To control the situation, multiple rigging lines are attached from different directions. The goal is to limit unwanted movement and create a controlled path for the tree if it begins to shift. When working around nearby structures, even a small change in direction can cause major damage. One of the biggest concerns here is the condition of the trunk itself. The lower section shows significant decay, meaning the tree may not react the way a healthy tree normally would. Rotten wood often fails unpredictably, which increases the risk for everyone on site. As tension is gradually applied, the crew watches carefully for movement. This phase is all about gathering information. Every crack, shift, or change in pressure helps reveal how the tree is carrying its weight. Notice how slowly the process moves. To an outside observer, it may seem cautious, but this is exactly what experienced operators do when dealing with uncertainty. Rushing a compromised tree can turn a manageable problem into an emergency. The crew continues balancing, cutting, pulling, and monitoring the rigging system. Every adjustment is intended to guide the tree toward a safer landing zone while reducing the chance of sudden failure. Now the tree begins showing a noticeable lean. This is the critical moment. The forces inside the trunk are changing rapidly, and the crew must remain alert because the tree may not move in the exact direction originally expected. Watch carefully as the upper section rotates during the fall. This is one of the reasons damaged trees are so difficult to predict. Even with multiple control lines in place, the tree still introduces an unexpected twist before reaching the ground. Fortunately, the rigging system does its job. Equipment that could have fallen remains secured, and the crew successfully avoids damage to the nearby house. Situations like this highlight why proper preparation is often more important than the final cut itself. With the main danger removed, the remaining task is controlled lowering and cleanup. The highest risk portion of the operation is now over, but the crew continues working methodically until every suspended piece is safely on the ground. In the end, this job serves as a reminder that tree removal is often more complex than it appears. Once a tree has been partially cut or structurally compromised, predicting its behavior becomes extremely difficult. Careful planning, rigging, and patience are what helped bring this unusual situation to a safe conclusion.